What you doing, Squirrely?
Breakfast of champions.
Hi, Scrappers. Hi, Scrappy. What you doing? Waiting for Scraps. Let's go. Missed it, Jim. Oh, gravel. All the way. All the way. Ready? Ready? Let's let Chevy have a turn. Let's let Chevy have a turn, okay? June, stay. Chevy never brings it back all the way, but June will. All the way. So today we are working in the shop. Kenny and Billy just went to Home Depot to go get paneling. And this weekend we kind of took a break from racing. Didn't go anywhere this weekend, although I had some buddies of mine out yesterday to run their 5th scale buggies. He's coming, Michael! Oh, Mike made a mistake! Oh, Mike! Here he goes, back out of turn 2, they get together, Mike's headed for concrete! Yeah, so probably gonna have to get one of those. I had the K&N buggy and I traded it to Michael for a couple of monster trucks which I wanted and some parts that I desperately wanted. Now Michael has the buggy. Sean got a 5th scale short course truck, and now Billy's gonna get one. So, jeez, crackers. Oh, my yard's gonna be destroyed this year. I can see that already.
Film me?
The kids are back with the paneling.
I know. I'm about to go see if they got it home in one piece.
What you got there in your paw?
A cookie.
Hello, heathens.
Heathens?
Heathens.
We're not heathens. We're just good little Christian boys.
What's that red thing in there on the truck?
Red thing. The new one.
Kenny's stepping up his RC game.
That's the first one I painted.
You painted that?
Yeah.
Damn, that looks good. You want to bet, see if my tractor leaked any oil on the floor?
I'm sure it most likely did.
That thing's a jewel. You guys just don't understand. What do you got there?
3 of those.
Nice. Track lights. That way we can light up my monster trucks.
Yeah, Kenny's gonna make a shelf that goes all the way around the top for all the toys.
Is he really?
Mm-hmm.
Does that mean I can fill the shelf all the way around with toys?
It's you already have them.
What?
Yeah, halfway. You already have plenty.
Mm.
You're grounded and cut off from any more.
She said you cut off.
I wasn't last night.
You cut him off.
Holy crap.
We definitely picked the perfect color of paneling.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
I love it, Kenny.
He's the leader.
What you got there, Junior?
The day has finally come. I feel I'm fast enough to have a parachute. So I'm gonna put a parachute on this thing. This came in from Motion Raceworks. I ordered it just a couple days ago, got free shipping, and it's here in like 2 days. So
Nice. Doug don't screw around, does he?
no, he don't screw around. He's runs a tight ship. So bolt-on mount. This is no fabrication necessary. It bolts on.
That's good because we're not very good at fabricating it.
No, we are not. I got a Stroud Parachute.
Nice. Oh, look at that.
Oh look,
Stickers.
they sent a sucker. They sent candy with all their orders.
But I got sticker.
Cream soda.
That's right up your alley.
Not bad.
Nice.
Can't wait to pull this on some people.
It's 2021. You can name names.
Where are we gonna put that?
That's my favorite part right
We'll
there.
bolt it right to the roof. Made in the USA. I'll have to learn how to pack one of these things. Also made in the USA. I think almost everything on this truck is made in the USA now, except for like fittings and lines and shit like that. Maybe my wastegates.
Let's go see how Billy's doing. Come on. Come on. Let's go get Billy. Bite him. What are you doing, Junior?
I'm watching Doug's video on how to pack a Stroud Parachute because I've never done it before and it's a pain in the ass. So hopefully we can learn something.
Got it mounted?
Yeah, it's mounted the way that it, was intended to be mounted.
It looks a little high up underneath that wing there, Junior.
Well, it might be made for their wing, Our wing's a little bit bigger. Set up.
Looks like we're gonna have to lower that a little bit.
Yeah, I think if you cut that bar or something and just lower it, it'd probably be all right. But this is a picture of their setup. That's their wing and parachute. So, I mean, it's even pretty close to there.
So we might have to lower it.
Might have to lower it just a little bit so that the spring launcher doesn't hit this. Officially pro mod, and
Slow mod.
I was pretty sad about cutting my bumper.
I'm very unsad. I'm very sad about that bumper because when I came home and saw that you did that, there was a part of me that contemplated maybe using my knife on you.
Dude, I was very sad as I was doing it, but then I remembered it's just a race truck. It's okay. This is why I can't handle going full pro mod with this thing. That's why I got this. Because even just cutting the freaking rear bumper, I about had tears. So.
still my heart. Thank you.
You're welcome.